Hi everybody, JT. Today video I will be doing save process, save toolpath and load it up so you can make the program faster. The purpose of this video is to show you how you can utilize saving process for future use. This process will be repeatedly, like 99% of the time you make the program. Right, let's say face meal, I do it every time. Volume meal every time. Contour finish every time. And real, this one is just for like let's say one hole, but this process can be applied to like a dreamer when you set up 3 2, right? Spot reel, drill and dreamer. And the same with tab too. So if you set up the tab, let's say a quarter 20, you have spot reel, you have drill, you have tab. So those process, those two paths you created, you can use it. And next time when you know they are part with quarter and 20 tab, you can reuse those two two paths. So I use this all the time so you can make the program faster the way that you do faster. All right, let's get to this. Let's say I delete most of the two paths already, so now it's just these two paths that I want to use, right? And let's say if I have these two paths, I want to save the face meal. So you click over here, double click over here, it jump over here. And for example, that's one, right? So double click, jump over here, you right click it, you do save process list. In here, I create the process folder already, and all this is the same, but let's just pretend, well, let's just delete it and see. Okay, let's do that. So now I create a folder in GibbsCAM, right? Process. And this one is face meal, so I name it face meal. Save it. This one volume meal, the same thing. Save process, a volume meal. Okay. First one is contour. Same thing, double click, save process, say finish. Oh, come on. Finish. Contour. Drill. This one is just like one drill, but maybe I can show you. Later on, let's do this one is finish. Finish. Finish surfacing. Right? Okay. All right. Okay. Let's create something over here. Let me see. So I will show you what I mean. Let's say you have a hole somewhere over here for the, let's say a quarter and 20, right? So you know you have that. You have a drill. You have a tab. quarter in 20, right? Okay, maybe a spot wheel somewhere over here. Okay, so I could did 3 2 here. There's a spot reel and tap for this accordion tap hole, right? So let's say make it quick. Of course, speed and feed you feel it out. I just do this quick so I can show you real quick why. JPEG pull out, something like that, right? We just have okay, as you can see. Oh, I know why. Because of this. So let's see. Oh, and you can see here, spot reel, and tap, right? Just make a quick program so you can see it. But let's say if you have this process, you want to save it so next time you can use it. Of course, next time it's not gonna be the same depth or anything, but as long as it's a quarter in 20 tap hole, you can use it. And then you have to adjust, the depth, whatever you want, the depth, whatever the print require you to do. But this just so you can use it for next time. Same thing, double click, jump over here, select 3 of them, right? And then save process. Now we'll name this quarter 20. Okay, it doesn't let me name like this, I guess. Quarter in 20 tap. All right, just something like that. Okay, so all this process I already saved, right? Let's say I will delete it all. And let's say next part you program, it had those same feature, same thing, right? So you can reuse all the processes that you just saved and make it faster. So let's see how fast can we do. Right click, load process, face mail, do it, clear, do it, clear. Come on. All right. See, as you can see, if you have similar part or similar feature that you want to use those process, you can just load it up like that, and then boom, it's done. It's much faster. All right. See, let's just say if you want to rough this 1 hour with volume mill too. Of course, when we save the project, it was for this outside, right? But we can still use it. So let's load that one up again, volume mill. Of course, we have to adjust the depth and just select it, do it. There you go. Now you can drop that one out with volume mill. And in this case, if you want, you can use this to finish this one too. But I think it's not gonna be. Oh, we can use that chain process. Let's finish with this pocket. So everything is finished. There you go. As you can see now, you have a completely part, but it's pretty quick. There you go. So that's video purpose is to show you how to save the process and load it up for future uses. It's really quick. I use this all the time. I use it for reamer, right? For tap hole, for thread milling, and of course, face mill. Every time you face, every finished contour that you do, every rough part that you have using volume mill, those are the most, like you use it all the time. So by saving these processes, you can load it up and reuse it next time, so you can make the program more efficient and quicker, make quicker. Otherwise, you just sit there and figure it out, oh, what tool I am going to use, what speed and fees, and then you input all those in. It takes longer. For me, I use this all the time to save my programming time. That's it for this video. Hope you guys like it, and if you like it, make sure you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for future video. Thank you. See you guys next time.